Okay ma'am, sir. Antayin na po natin yung sundo natin ng speedboat ha. Kasi hindi po tayo magkatawa sa beach kasi mababaw yung tubig.
We wait for the speedboat to fetch us because the water there is shallow.
Dito papunta naman. So ma'am, sir, yung may ATV po, talin po lahat ng gamit ninyo ha. So wala namang ATV, pwede nang po iwan yung hindi makalaga.
For the people who have next activity, they need to bring all their things.
Okay.
For the
But
people,
we can live here. Okay.
for the things we can live. But I don't. You want to live?
No, I will give
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Doon po. Monkey zipline, ay di, meron pa naman doon. May lifeguard naman po doon ma'am.
You want to leave this here? No? No. Okay. Will you have everything?
Monkey zipline. Doon po yung gaganapin.
How about we can take separately together?
Which one?
Take off lang po natin life jacket natin ma'am, sir.
And this one together.
They can take. We can take together, but
No, I don't want.
I don't want. I don't want to. This is too much already for me.
Yeah. I mean, the other activity cannot be taken alone.
Yes.
You should take together with this and this.
For this tour, huh? For this tour.
Yeah.
But Chester allowed us to take in the other day. Chester,
Yeah.
he allowed us. We have another connection, I think. We have another connection.
Likod lang ko, dito bang? Likod lang. Yung may TV po pumata din po lahat ng gamit niyo. Kaning height. Wala naman.